everyone, this is Miss Gemma from Logos Christian Elementary School. During this pandemic, you probably have no chance to play with your friends. And you're supposed to do all things only with your family or even by yourself at home. And I'm sure that you miss all of your friends. Well, there's a story about someone who doesn't like to play with his friend. This little kangaroo likes to read instead of playing with his friends. Yeah, well, he reads a lot of books though. He reads poetry, history, a fairy tale, and even a mystery book. Wow, there's a lot of books, isn't it? Well, do you want to know about his experience when he finally meets up with his friends? Well, I will tell you the story, okay? But I will tell you in a puppet show, and I hope you can enjoy this puppet show, okay?
Rooney Roo, story by Deborah de Robertis. This is Rooney Roo. He is a little busy kangaroo. He reads lots of books every day. Night and day, he wouldn't miss his chance to read. By the brook and on his bed, he always has a perfect story to read. His mom always asks him to play with his friends, but he rather reads a book. Till one morning. Yoo-hoo! Where's my little kangaroo?
I am here, Mom. Dad has sent me these new books.
Rooney, today you must go out and play.
But, Mom...
Listen to me, dear. The woods are full of other roos, and bandicoots, and cockatoos. I am proud that you were reading Roo, but I'd like you to make friends too.
Okay, Mom.
As Rooney hops, he hears a hoot. It sounds like Randy Bandicoot, and he's not in a good mood. Ooh, ooh, my soup is goop. It's sticky. What can I do now?
Don't worry, Randy. See, I have a book. It's a cookbook. Come on, let's take a look. First, you must dump out this sticky soup. Then we can make a super soup.
Aye, Rooney. Rooney reads the cooking book as Randy cooks the soup. Soon, the soup tastes very good. Yum! It really is a super soup. Thank you, Rooney. Rooney hops below the trees. He stops when he hears a sneeze.
Excuse me, Cookie.
Yes?
I think I can be of help to you.
Really?
I have this book. It's just for birds. Let's take a look.
What does it say?
I think you have got the flu, so drink a lot and then cover up if you feel cool. Don't forget to take a rest, and you feel much better soon.
Oh wow, thanks Rooney. Rooney scoots. He zips and zooms. He bounces, bebops and booms.
Mom, look! fun with each new book. It's fun to share a book, it's true. I'm a friendly reading Roo now.
I'm happy for you, little Roo. Now, Rooney's friends come every day. They read and learn together. They laugh and play together.
Well, did you see how finally Rooney Roo changed from a reading Roo into a friendly reading Roo? Well, that's a lot of difference, right? And I think it is time for you as well to become a friendly reading person. Why? Because it's always good to share with your friends. You can share your book, you can share your knowledge from the book, you can share anything, by the way. Okay then, that's all from me right now. I hope that you learn a lot from this story. And don't forget to read a lot, learn a lot, and play a lot.